If you don't like sockets filled with plugs that just look really unattractive, or you have a piece of furniture you want to go flush up against the wall, but you need some plugs to go in the socket behind it that pop out, then you are going to love Sleek Socket. Now, I already have one of these. I have used it for years. I love it so much. I initially got it for a countertop application, but now I actually have it in one of my kids' rooms behind their bunk bed, as it was the only way to get that bunk bed flush against the wall. And I am so thrilled that Sleek Socket sent me one of their other fantastic outlet covers. Now, this one is specifically for kitchen use, and let me show you why. Now, this is very simple in concept, but extremely powerful in application. All it is this simple, very clean or sleek white cover that will go over your outlet. And this one's specifically for kitchen countertops, as then it has two 3-foot cords going off of it. So you can run these to each side of your countertop away from the socket to then hide behind appliances you have on your countertop and plug them in. And then on each side you get 3 grounded outlets, so you really get a lot more than your standard 2 outlets you would have had with your socket. And on top of that, not only do you get this really fantastic socket with outlets, but to make those cords really blend into your wall, it also comes with all the clips to hook the cords against the wall and really hide them. To start off with, you'll get a nice rounded piece here for the cord to hide into underneath the Sleek Socket. And then you get all of these little clips that can go along the wall. You can see right there that they do have 3M tape on them, so they'll hook to the wall very nicely. And then they're just a very clean white clip on the other side. So if you are looking to make your kitchen countertop look a lot more sleek, or have another application for this in mind, I know you're going to love this Sleek Socket.